Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Marsha. I'm a part-time reseller with eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. My information and closet name is MARSHA'S Trove. That's MARSHAS_Trove. I'll put that in my linked in my description item below. And also, please feel free to push the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel. Every thumbs up and every subscription means so much, especially to the new YouTubers, to the community. I know it means a lot to me. And again, thank you for your support. Today we are going to be doing a Goodwill Bluebox mystery box unboxing of their denim items. And I usually go through it, and I know I did go through it whenever I received it, but it's been like 2 or 3 weeks, and so it's going to be, I don't remember exactly what's in this box, to tell you the truth, so it is going to be a true unboxing. It's been sitting in my room, and I keep on telling myself to do it, and it just hasn't, so I need to, right? It doesn't sell, things don't sell if you don't list. You don't make money or sales unless you list. So I have to keep on telling myself that. Okay, so the first item I received from the denim box, and this one, I believe this item is vintage. It is a long, it might be high-waisted skirt, denim skirt. It is button fly, and it's button fly all the way down. It is kind of like it fits here at the waist, and it kind of goes out like an A-line. And here's the back to it. Great design. Now the thing also as well is that it comes new with tags. So it comes with an extra button here and your tag. And so the tag looks, it says it's from Marshall's, and it's a very old Marshall's tag, and it was $24.99 compared to $44. But again, that does change things up a bit, because you know, it's, I would say it's vintage. It's a size 12. So again, I usually do my measurements and everything like that. It's assembled in Colombia. Trying to see if there was a date, but there's not. It's a CHAU, C-H-A-U sport skirt, denim skirt, long one. Okay, next item we have is like a pencil jean skirt, and it's distressed. It's a tiny little thing, zipper to the back. And we have, it's by Vibrant and made in the USA, and it's a size small. So it's great. I don't know if it's vintage or not, but it is great trend there. We have a H&M size 6 US distressed shorts. I love that. And I've been trying to make my own distressed shorts, and that's another talk there. I'm trying to do some things different, you know, try to make things unique and things like that. If I have some, like a pair of pants I received where the bottom is totally messed up, I try to refurbish or try to make things new again, so that way you can have another life. But don't know if I'm being successful at that. But I'm still working on it. Don't give up. Next is Zara Woman, made in Turkey, size. Wow. Well, it says size 8. So size 8 denim jeans, Zara distressed. So I think these would do good too. I'm excited to post this, and I don't know why I haven't posted things up yet. I think it was a thread-up unboxing from the what's it called? The fun boxes, because they just they take my mind. But Zara Jeans, great find. So far, this box is just great. And I think I got this box for $19.99 plus shipping. So not bad. I'm for sure going to make my money back so far with the items I just talked to y'all about. Next one is like a camo. It's called Pull and Bear. It is made in Turkey. It says Europe size is size 40, Mexico size is size 31. There is a tag that's pulled out, but they look like some moto pants. So that's pretty cool. Pull and Bear. Never heard of that. Okay. Next item. Next jeans. Woohoo! And yes, I totally did forget what I received because then I would have done it a long time ago. They're the vintage skinny high waist made in Bangladesh. I am going to have to look up the RN number on here if there is one. Oh, H&M jeans. And it is, again, high-waisted button fly closure, distressed jeans. Oh my gosh. I'm going to wash these items before I put them up, because they do have a little bit of that. It's been in place for a while. Not bad, but we got pink Victoria's Secret black size 6 distress shorts. These items will be put up before this video does show, and hopefully I can have some sales before too, because they're great items so far. Guess jeans, stretch, and my kiddos are up, so if you hear some yelling in the background, that's what it is. Size 27 jeans. A little distressed there. I don't know if that is supposed to look like that. No, I think these were not supposed to be distressed. There's just a hole on the knee. I don't know if I can sell it like that. Again, I've tried making things look distressed, but I haven't mastered that skill yet. So I'll sell it as is to let someone with the skills take care of that. Lee Natural Fit. Now this is new with tags. It's a barely boot cut below the waist. Size 8. Size 8 petite. Yeah, size 8 petite. Great picks. I might order this box again. New York and Company, size 8 petite. Another size 8 petite. Jeans. Good stretch. They might be a little too stretched. I don't know if y'all can't see it from that end, but so I might just so when you close it, you can't see much, but then let's see if you sit down. You sit down, bend over, there you go. So I'll probably donate these. Okay, this is my last item, my last denim item. These are, and I've never heard of this, well, G-Star Raw. I think these might be men's. Jeans. This button fly closure, size 32-30. So yeah, G-Star size 32-30, made in Vietnam, dark denim jeans, and the condition on this is great. These are darker, a darker tone, so I think I might just wash these themselves because I would hate for them to link to other clothing. So those are my denim items, and boy, was that a good pick, right? Prior to me ordering any boxes, I like to go ahead and do research on my boxes before I order, just so I have an idea of what I'm going to get. So I did watch some videos from the denim, and I did note that they did have good items. So, and just to kind of give you overhead, this was a denim repurpose box. So I think there was only one item that had an issue was with that the Guess jeans, but I think I could still sell them as is and have someone either continue working on them or just wear them as is. This box was $19.99. I did pay $7.99 for shipping, and so my total was $27.98, which is not a bad idea at all. And there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11 items. 11 items for $27. So per item, it's great. So I might go ahead and order another one. And the turnaround time from ordering it to receiving the box is about 1.5 weeks, 2 weeks at the most. But I think I would do it again. So thank you so much for joining me today. Please push that thumbs up and subscribe button. That was so greatly appreciated. I'm sorry I was moving my desk and it was kind of shaking me a little bit, but hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helps in letting you know what might be in your future Goodwill denim repurposed box. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. Have a wonderful day.